Hello everyone. To my Chinese friends, ni hao. To my Japanese friends out there, mushi mushi. And to my friends, English friends, good morning to you all. Okay, so guys, I'd like to welcome you to my channel, my YouTube channel, Mr. Ray. It's Biyahe Mr. Ray. My Facebook is Asato-san. So before you proceed and watch the videos that I'm gonna post from time to time, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button for you to be able to follow my channel and see the beauty of the Philippines. The content of my video, guys, is to let you see and experience the beauty of the Philippines, the tourist spots, surfing spots, whatever spots that you wanted to see inside the Philippine archipelago. You'll be able to see it because I'm gonna show it to you. So I hope you're going to enjoy. And right now I'm in the first island of the Philippines, which is Luzon. I'm almost at the end of the map. I'm almost at the end of the island. So I'm gonna start here, all right? And in the future, you'll be able to see my travel from this area to the third island or the biggest island of the Philippines, which is Mindanao. Davao City, Zamboanga City, General Santos City, Cotabato City, all the cities in Mindanao, and maybe hopefully all the cities of Visayas, and also here in Luzon. It's kind of exciting, and I hope that you're also excited and you're also willing to wait. All right, willing to wait for my future posts, because this is for you guys. Hope you're going to enjoy, and once again, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Again, for my YouTube channel, it's Biyahe Asato or Biyahe Mr. A, and my Facebook is Asato-san. All right, so have a good day. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also the bell button. You have a good day ahead, and hope you enjoy my videos. Goodbye for now. Surfing area here in Baler, guys. So it's really good. It's really cool to do surfing in here. It's because if you can see the waves, check the waves, guys. Big, really good for surfing. Tingnan mo yung waves guys, napakalakas. So as what I've mentioned in my previous video, that if you're a surfer and you wanted to learn how to surf, or you want to enjoy surfing, this is the best place where you should be at. I've been to Siargao. If I'm gonna compare it, it's safe here. It's because it's not more on rocks. It's a black sand though, but at least if you're new to surfing, then it's going to be, or it's safer. Let's say like if you fall in the water, then di po kayo mababagsak sa bato kung di sa sand. So hindi problema. So if you're from other countries and you wanted, or you're a surfer from other countries and you want to experience the beauty of the Philippines through surfing, as na-mention ko na po, I'm gonna recommend Baler and Siargao, but Baler is highly recommended. The waves here are non-stop, cloud 9. What you see is what you get though guys. So anyway, just always remember not to forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button, so you'll be able to follow my channel, and just wait for my next post then. I'm gonna give you the beauty of the Philippines. Thank you guys, and this is Mr. A. Have a nice day and enjoy.